Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a checkbox in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it to open and bring up the Microsoft Word. Click on the blank document. Now here, if you want to simply add a checkbox, click on the Insert tab, and here you will find Symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and click on More Symbols, and simply drag this to the bottom. Then you just need to simply look for a checkbox, this one. So once you find a checkbox, like a box, or you just need to simply look from here, a box. Now once you find that, you can simply click on Insert that, but if you want to create a shortcut for that, it's very easy. Click on the box and click on autocorrect and simply replace it with a text. So I'm going to type in here box. And then I'm going to click on replace. Okay, so it's already been added. Now I'm going to just type in here and then box 1. Okay, it's box 1 and click on add. Click on OK. And then close this. You can also do the same thing. Now let's type and then box 1. Hit enter. And that's it. As easy as that. So let me quickly insert this. But you can also put a text that is easier to remember for you. So it's up to you. But you can also follow mine. Box 1. Hit enter. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.